MG Rob back with you, and today we got a milestone to celebrate. The channel has finally surpassed 500 subscribers, and you know what that means, don't you? It means it's time to get the old half-inch drive mechanics party favors out. So, woo! Now I'm looking forward to the next 500. Now we'll see what I have to do off that one. I'll think about that one a little bit. Maybe we'll get the old Ugga-Duggas out. We'll see. So, shop move is coming up really soon. Got a new place to go, got the new shop, and here we're going to be showing you the new shop. So here's the new shop. It's 40 by 60, which is about the same size as the one I have now. And yes, I do have a pond, and yes, it is stocked. Let's go inside and check out the inside of it. So here's the inside of the new shop. I got 14-foot ceiling, just like my old shop. I do have two built-in office rooms. One of them I will be using for an office, the other one's going to be parts room. I've already started moving a few things in here, trying to get some stuff out of the old shop so I can finish packing up over there. That will be going, and I'll be putting in real, propane heat, so my supplies don't freeze up. I already got the Jeep over here right now, just getting it out of the way over there because it was underneath the lean-to on the side of the building, and I'm tearing that off of there. And one interesting thing I got for the shop was an old Pepsi machine. Now I do have a lot of work that needs to be done out here before I can actually move in and start working. I need to put a ceiling in up there and do some insulating. The back door, the opener does not work. Got some general cleanup to do, and then the walls here are going to have to all be insulated and covered. And then I got a bunch of shelving and stuff to move in. I'm still right now trying to figure out how I'm going to lay the shop out. Got some scaffolding so I can start working on the ceiling. And I'm thinking about putting my lift over here, and that would leave me the option of potentially putting in a second lift over here if I really wanted to at a later date. So this will be the new digs. So here's the one office that I'm turning into a parts room. So all this is going to be all used parts, and I've already brought a bunch of shelving over and started bringing stuff in. And then this room here is actually going to be my office, and I'm probably going to store my new parts in here as well. These are about 12 foot by 12 foot, so plenty of room for me to do what I need to do as an office. One nice thing about this setup is the driveway goes all the way around 360 degrees, so it's easy enough to you can drive right on through here, right out the back door, and swing a trailer around, or go all the way around it and drop something off wherever we need to. But I've got a lot of work ahead of me, and a lot of thinking about how to set the place up most efficiently to work for me the way I need to work. The first things first, I got to get all these lights ripped off of here, disconnect everything from the trusses so I can put a ceiling in. Well, if you were expecting a time lapse, I hate to disappoint you, but I forgot to bring my tripod with me today. I went ahead and got the center bank of lights out and this outer bank of lights. Figure I can go ahead and start working on the ceiling from here, working that way. That way I still have light in here. And I took a bunch of extra conduit out that was stringing across here. So I may need to use that somewhere else, so I figure why bury it up in the ceiling. So that's the new shop. And like I said, there's still quite a bit of work I'm going to be doing over there before I can actually start taking my equipment and my lift and stuff over there and start working on cars again over there. So for those, I don't know, 8 or 15 people that are following me on a regular basis, if you actually want to see progress reports on the work being done on the shop, comment below, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. As always, if you like what I'm doing, like, subscribe, share with your friends. It's MG Rob. Later.